Welcome to Enoven Foods. Today we are making crispy thread chicken ball, a crunchy flavorful snack that's perfect for any occasion. If you love crispy, crunchy and flavorful snacks, the crispy thread chicken ball is a must try. Let's get started. First, preparing the samosa strips. Take some samosa sheets and cut them into thin strips. Keep them aside for later use. Making the filling. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add 1 tablespoon chopped onion, 2 green chillies. Saute for 30 seconds. Add 1/4 cup cabbage, 1/4 cup carrot, and some chopped capsicum. Vegetables like cabbage, carrots, and capsicum add fiber and essential nutrients. Mix in half cup boiled shredded chicken, half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon chili flakes, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 teaspoon chili sauce, and half teaspoon salt. Cook everything together for 3 to 5 minutes. Chicken is a great source of protein, making this snack both delicious and filling. Once done, let the mixture cool down. Now pour the mixture in a bowl. Add 2 boiled mashed potatoes. Add half cup fresh breadcrumbs and 2 tablespoons malai or cream. Mix well until everything is combined. Different variations exist, including cheese-filled vegetable and even seafood thread balls. Now grease your hands with a little oil. Take some of the prepared filling and shape it into small balls. If you want a cheesy twist, add a small cube of cheese inside each pakora before coating. Preparing the flour slurry. In a separate bowl, mix 1/4 cup flour with 1/3 cup water to form a smooth slurry. Set aside. Now dip each shaped ball into the flour slurry. Roll it into the samosa strips, covering completely. The name thread ball comes from its unique thread-like coating, giving it an extra crispy texture. Heat oil in a pan over medium heat. Fry until golden brown and crispy. For extra crispiness, fry on medium heat instead of high heat to avoid burning. To make it healthier, bake or air fry instead of deep frying. Homemade thread balls are fresher and healthier compared to store-bought fried snacks. Remove and drain excess oil on a paper towel. Let us know in the comments if you have ever tried this version before. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enoven Foods for more exciting recipes. See you in the next video.